Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you about the chapter respiration. Now what is respiration? Respiration is basically it is the process of obtaining energy from food. Okay. Now as you all know that we need food and food is digested into the digestive system. Okay. So but still in the digestive system the food will not give the energy. Okay. That is only simply breaking down of large molecules into the simple soluble water soluble molecules. Okay, so that is called the digestion. But here the energy is released by the oxidation of food. What is done? That is the oxidation of food. Now what happens in the oxidation? That is the food will be combined with the oxygen and then the energy will be released. So basically the process of obtaining energy by the oxidation of food is called the respiration. Okay. Now children, in 6th standard already you have studied about the different nutrients in which after the digestion what are the nutrients we are getting. We are getting the carbohydrates, that is the glucose. Okay, so after the digestion the glucose will be there and then glucose will get combined. So here the respiration reaction will be like this, that is the food will be mixed with the oxygen, then there will be the oxidation of food and then it will give the product will be carbon dioxide, then water H2O and then energy will be there and this energy will be in the form of ATP. ATP is what? That is the energy currency and this is called the adenosine triphosphate. Now if we see the balanced reaction, that will be this food is glucose and that is C6H12O6 plus it will have the 6 molecules of oxygen, 6 CO2 and then there will be 6, this is 6 O2 sorry, and this is 6 CO2, this is the product, and then there will be 6 H2O and then the energy will be released. Okay, so this is basically the formula or the reaction of the respiration in which these two are the reactants and these are the products. In another way also it can be explained like this is the cell. Okay, it is the cell and here you can see that the food, that is glucose. Okay, it's a food and here oxygen will be taken from where? From air. Okay, and what they will release? They will release carbon dioxide and then water and there will be huge amount of energy. Huge amount of energy which will be utilized for the activities of the cell. Inside the cell it is required. So here the basic thing is that basics of respiration if we will talk, so it is what? It is first thing you need food as a source of energy and oxygen obviously for the oxidation, that is the second condition, and the energy will be released in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, and then carbon dioxide and water will be the end product. So basically, when we talk about the respiration, that is the process of obtaining energy from the food, and when food is oxidized, then only the energy is released. And this is the formula, that is the C6H12O6 plus 6O2, and then they will the end product will be 6CO2, 6H2O and ATP. That means adenosine triphosphate. And basically, in most of the cases, it is 38 ATP molecules. Okay, so that is adenosine triphosphate. Now this process is not a one-time process. I mean, it will have the step-by-step processes. Then in combination, at the end you will be seeing like this. Okay, but basically it is not only one reaction. So many reaction will keep on going, and there will be the actions of the enzymes. The respiratory enzymes will be there, which will be helpful for the reaction and for the energy release from the food. So altogether, that is the respiration is the process of obtaining energy from the food by the oxidation of the food. Now one more question is there, that is, why do we need energy? See, we need energy to do all the activities. It is just like if you are having any vehicle, so you are putting some sort of fuel in that. Fuel is that like petrol or diesel. Okay, petrol or diesel you are putting. So in the same way, food is a fuel, and through that the energy is released. Now this energy will be utilized for the different activities inside our body by the cells. So this is all about the respiration.